Welcome to SmackDown SEO. Hi, this is Paul Venables. Thank you for checking out this course. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to these videos, and I sincerely believe you will find great value in this material. I'm also really hoping to over-deliver for you. These videos will be helpful for you if you are a beginner, or even if you have been in the industry for years and have been doing SEO work for a long time. Since changes happen frequently in the SEO world, it is important to stay up to date and have a diversified network of links if you want to sustain high ranking in the search engines. This video course is designed for you to rank your site to the top of Google now and also keep your site ranked there for the future so that you will have consistent traffic to your site, which will bring you residual income. So now I'll show you an outline as to what will be covered. The first part is keyword research. It is important that you pick the right keyword from the start. If you don't, then you'll be really stuck. Picking the wrong keyword is basically setting yourself up for failure and can make you completely burned out. If you do have the right keyword, then you will be doing well as long as you rank it well and beat your competition. The second part is competition analysis. Basically, the first 10 websites on the first page of Google is your competition. If you can beat those sites, then you can be number one. It's not necessarily how many competitors you have. It could be 10,000, 100,000, or even a million. It doesn't really matter. If you can beat the first 10 sites, then you can do really well regardless. However, this does require that you are on the first page. It doesn't matter if you're on the second page, the fifth page, the 10th page of Google. No, you must be on the first page to do well, and I'll show you how to do this. The next part is creating your domain. It is really important that you have the right domain. With the right keyword and the right keyword-rich domain, then you can be structured well and have strong leverage when doing your SEO work. Getting content is the next part of the process. With fresh and unique content, you can dominate the search engines. Content is king, as they say, and really this won't go away. I believe that if you have enough content and enough backlinks, you can do as well as you want. Getting content can be tricky. Writing it yourself can be really tedious and take a long time. I have a special technique that I'm looking forward to sharing with you that will allow you to get a lot of unique content that you can distribute over to your website and other sites so you can get link diversity as well as IP diversity so that it can really rank well. Backlinks are another important part to the SEO process. It is vital that you have quality backlinks pointing to your site. That way it can rank better. If you don't have quality backlinks, your site may not move very well. It may be down in lower rankings if you don't have strong quality backlinks. Now, building EDU links is very powerful. Contextual backlinks are also very powerful and provide you with link diversity and IP diversity that will really give your site a lot of love from the search engines such as Google. Google really loves a lot of link diversity and IP diversity. So when you have a lot of different links coming in and a whole network of links pointing to your site that are from separate addresses and separate sites with high page rank, then you can get a lot of major gains. In the past, it used to be where social bookmarking and using some profile links would really help you out. But now it is changing. The SEO world always changes. So far, I've found that using these EDU links and contextual backlinks will really give you a boost and seem to be some of the most favored links by the search engines these days. Having multiple links pointing to your site coming from strong sources with high page rank and authority will really give you a lot of gains and push your site up in the SERPs. And that pretty much sums up the outline to this course. I'm very excited for you to see the videos and other materials that are contained in this course. There is also an excellent link packet with EDU links and some valuable tools I've included for you to make the process even easier. I look forward to showing you more about how to dominate Google and rank #1 for your keyword. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing your success.